Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we continue to see playing out is the green line there, the 20-day moving average, the middle band as resistance. We've been talking about this for, over, just about 10 sessions now. And, the bulls continue to try to get over that area, and they haven't been able to do it. It's been tested 3 times, essentially. And Friday, we ended up having an inside day. I said we're going to have an inside day, and that's like saying, the sky's going to be blue today after the kind of range day that we had on Thursday. So it was an inside day, but with a downward bias, that's for sure. And it continues to reinforce the point that the middle band is resistance. Now, we've got the opposite kind of day going right now. We're getting ready. We're going to open in about 20 minutes. We're up 13 handles, traded up around 1332. We've traded as high as 3475, and you've got that middle band sloping down to 1638. So depending on your persuasion, you can say 2 things. If you're a bear, you say, well, the longer the market stays underneath the middle band, the greater the chance that we're going to go down and ride the lower band and test new lows. Okay, that's one. If you're a bull, you say, look, the bears haven't been able to crack this market. The dip buyers continue to come in at the lower band, and now it looks like the red line, the 50-day exponential moving average, may want to be support. We have our cleanup hitter coming up to bat on Wednesday, Chairman Bernanke. And, he's not going to do anything to let these markets slip away for any significant kind of a correction. It's also options expiration week. So there's a few things going on. The bottom line is the middle band has to be won by the bulls if they're going to retake this upper half of the trading zone and trade there. Really all we're doing right now is we're trading in very wide ranges in the lower half of the bands, which makes for nice day trading, makes for very scary swing trading if you're trying to do that. I'm not swing trading anything right now. It's just the ranges are too wide, and the chop is just too much. And you see that when we get down to some of these big inflection points, either when you get up into the 1636 area, or you get down into the 1612, 1617s, 1620s, these big areas, you see very choppy bounces, either support or resistance at the inflection points. They're not smooth where they kiss a higher level and go down, or kiss a lower level and go up. They're overshooting by 2 and 3 handles. It indicates to me that there are a lot of nervous traders out there, and there should be. The bears are not sealing the deal right now. If they give up the middle band, they're absolutely exposed to new highs. The bulls at the same time are not really doing much about it because they can't get over middle band. So the way that the economic news sets up this week, it sets up well for the bulls. If Bernanke comes out and can say something that can move it higher, because then you'll get into the same dynamic that we saw in some of these other times when we went down and we hit lower areas like here. If you break through the middle band with some real power, say 10 handles to the upside, and this could happen today. I'm not saying it's going to, but you need to look for that dynamic. If we power through this middle band, then a lot of these shorts that have been holding on, they're going to start to get squeezed out, and that just kind of builds upon itself. And before you know it, you're trading up in areas that look like 1670, 1680. At the same time, if the market breaks below the 50 and we go down and punch again, you've really got to wonder how many times the dip buyers can rally this market 40 handles in a day, or over the course of 2 days. You've really got to ask yourself that. So there's a lot of dynamics now, a lot more questions than answers. I think you're going to not see a lot of big moves in anticipation of what's going to happen Wednesday afternoon. I think the market's going to take a little bit of a wait-and-see attitude. That's the attitude that I'm going to take. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Check out the website. Check out the chat. I will see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.